One of the things that people ask us about sometimes is why we don't insist that you always reload your pistol right here at eye level. That is, why we aren't really unhappy if you're reloading it down here in your chest area or even your stomach area, if that's the case. The theory goes that if you're reloading up here at eye level, your reloading is happening in such a way that it keeps your eye in line with your opponent. Well, that's a nice range-based theory, but it kind of falls apart on the street. When you're reloading, your focus is going to be on this gun anyway, at least it should be, because getting this gun reloaded is the most important thing you're doing. If you're looking at the gun, you're not looking down where your opponent is. So that's the first fallacy of that theory. The second reason we aren't really unhappy if you reload the gun down here, if you're more comfortable and stronger down here, is because getting this gun reloaded, getting it stocked with bullets, with things that go bang, is the most important thing you're doing at that moment. If you flub this up, it doesn't really matter where you're reloading it. So long as you are focusing on the most important task at hand, you're doing the right thing, in our opinion. Lastly, this technique of reloading up here looks really cool, looks really macho. It's kind of based around the range, where people are trying to look pretty while they're shooting, sticking their butt out and doing all these stylistic things that they see on TV and in the movies. In reality, if you're reloading, you should probably be behind cover. If you're scrunched down behind cover trying to reload, if that's your shooting position, trying to get this gun between your eye and the opponent isn't going to happen anyway. Furthermore, this particular position, right here like this, isn't going to be available to you. You're going to be reloading in some funky way if you're down behind some kind of odd cover trying to protect yourself. Bottom line, we think insisting on reloading the pistol this way is a range-based technique that doesn't have as much street relevance as its proponents would like. Bottom line for us, if you like to reload the gun here, if this is where you're comfortable and strong and predictable and reliable doing it, great, go ahead and do it. Just realize this position isn't going to be available all the time. Get used to reloading your gun in all kinds of positions, remembering that when you're reloading, the most important thing is to get that gun reloaded fast.